The newer generator, the welders power, I can't imagine what the quality. We got the top 15 deals at the Harbor Freight for the Labor Day savings coupon, 20% off coupon that they have. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we got, yeah, this is not necessarily a 20% off coupon, but this is actually a killer deal. 2 for $99, no brainer, brushless tools. All right, the first one, check this out. This one's down to $319. You're gonna save $80 for that one. That is a really good deal. On this one's the 6-ton, $63.99 out the door, savings of $16.99. That's a killer deal on this one. Check out the welders, guys. If you guys are into welders, you guys want to learn how to weld, this is a great machine. $119.99 down from $149.99. That's a really good deal. But the miter saws, these are just a few items that are available, guys, that I'm showing you. There's a whole ton and tons of power tools are available with this hack, with this coupon, 20% off coupon. Remember, guys, this coupon is only available for the Inside Track Club members. It's only $30 to join. But if you guys do the savings today and then you guys come back tomorrow or next week and do another savings, it's pretty much all savings from there because it's only $29 to start with. All right, so here's the other one, the cart. Yes, the toolboxes, all the toolboxes are available. This one's $223 from that $279. This one's $159 down from $199, $40 discount. This is a very nice kit for a DIY, just somebody that just, you know, for their house. I've used a lot of these, especially the Bauer ones. I can't imagine what the quality on these are. $295 down from, that's a really good deal. You got the Vulcan. So these are the Vulcan welders. These are the professional welders that they have. $879 from $1099. That's a really good deal. Over $220 savings on that one. And then this one's $199. Save $50 on this one for this pressure washer. But if you guys want more power, you guys know that 2650 psi, 2.4 gallons per minute. Predator engines, $279, savings of $70. That's a really good deal on that one. Got the 9,000 watt portable generator running 7,200, $679 down to $543.99, savings of $136. Check out the newer generator that they have. This is one of the newer ones that they have. This is a super quiet inverter generator. It's a $10.99. Obviously, you're going to get that 20% off on that one. But check this out. $22.99 is down to $18.39. Over $460 savings on this one. So, yeah, massive discounts. There's a whole bunch of generators, by the way, guys. Like I said, there's more tools to choose from. You got the jacks, $231 down from $289, so over $58. The backhoe, guys, the backhoe is available for this coupon. Check this out, down to $23.99 from $29.99. And then the trailers, they do have trailers. You guys can order them. You do have to put them together, but they are worth it. This one's 1,720 pounds. That's capacity. Also, let us know down in the comment section. Let us know what tools did you get with this deal, or did you buy any of these tools and they were trash? Let us know in the comment section. We want to know your story. Definitely check it out. Just a quick video for you guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.